बच्चे के पेट से निकला एक पंडल वो।
When my daughter was operated on after the rape, a 6-inch candle and a medicine bottle were found inside her. For the next 6 months, she was still wounded.